All right, so this is the 1 year review of the GoTrax GXL scooter, the old version with the foot pedal brake at the back here. Just kind of want to go over where I kind of stand with this right now. I don't really use it for much anymore. I don't really use it to go to work or haul it around with me very many places. And the reason for that is because one, I moved to a new city. I'm in San Antonio now. And then secondly, the battery life has just gone just completely out of the window with this. I would be hard pressed to think that this thing could even get 3 miles at this point. So and I'm not mad about it. I've put a lot of miles on this thing. It's paid for itself many times over. But I just kind of want to go over the wear and tear on this thing as it stands right now. Kind of one item by item. So we'll start with the brake, or with the most obvious thing here is going to be down here, and the lack of the thing that covers the wheel covering here in the rear wheel. I took the whole thing off because it broke and it was causing issues. So with that, I had to stop riding it whenever it would rain, because without that wheel covering, the water just goes up and gets all over your leg. And yeah, you don't want to have to deal with that if you're riding in the rain there. The wheel itself has held up very well. This is the wheel that you don't have to. It's 8.5 inch tire that you don't have to air up. That I bought off Amazon. Actually put on myself. It's lasted. It's done a really good job. I've had no issues with it at all. The brake is another story. That kick brake has gone bad on me. Part of the reason was because when I was taking off the wheel covering, it messed up this part of the brake assembly here, and it hasn't been the same since. So I can barely feel anything when I use that little kick brake there in the back. So that's pretty much gone. Moving along here, like I said, the battery life is pretty bad. Nothing else really had been that much of an issue. Also, with the removal of that rear tire covering, whenever you put it down, it no longer locks. So you can't have anything lock onto the tire anymore, which kind of sucks when you're folding it up. It's not really as portable, so that kind of sucks too. Charging is still the same, still takes the same amount of time to charge up, but like I said, it's a lot less, you get a lot less mileage out of one charge, out of a single charge. Everything else kind of looks good. Little wear and tear on the rubber for the handlebars here. Everything on the front looks to be pretty much intact. Kickstand's intact. Where you stand, no really issues with that as well. So I really still at this point have no complaints for this scooter here. It's done its job, and it's in its twilight years right now. I still ride it probably twice a week, riding down the street to HEB, so I don't have to go get in the car or anything. I live downtown, so nothing's really that far away. So it actually still helps get around down here. So I'm over in San Antonio, so looking out the window here, sun's about to go down out here, but I'm up on the 12th floor. But yeah, no, it's been a good ride, and it's been a good scooter overall. Hope this helps you guys thinking about purchasing, and yeah, that's it.